Hey guys, so for today's video, I wanted to talk about dividend income because I was looking at the videos that I've done over the last couple of months and I realized for dividend income, the last one was way back in January and it was covering the 2022 dividends that I had made from my investments. Now, yesterday or the day before, I was looking through my general investment account that I have with free trade when I noticed that one of the stocks that I owned, that was a legal and general stock, I had earned £7.66 and I only have about £130 or thereabouts. I think that's how much I have. I have my phone here where I can check how much I actually hold with legal and general on free trade, because being able to earn that amount, I actually have 138 as of today. Being able to earn £7.63 from that, I would say small holding, actually prompted this video as well, because I was just like, oh my gosh, so if I was to put some more money into this stock, then there's a possibility that if the trajectory of the stock market continues and this continues to rise, it means that I might get an even bigger dividend income from it. But obviously, I must reiterate that what I'm saying in this video, first of all, is from my own personal experience, and I'm not saying you should do the same thing. Stock market can go up and down. Always read or seek advice from a professional, not YouTubers. I'm not a professional, far from it. So definitely do your own thing, don't copy what I'm doing. But I'm just saying that even though I know stocks go up and down, if this stock was to maintain its trajectory and I put in more money, then there's a possibility that I might earn more dividend income. But also, if the profits, I should say, not only if the stock maintains its trajectory, but more if the profits that the company make still are as high as they were this time around, then the next time they're paying out dividend income, we might get more if you have a higher holding. Anyway, I've just mumbled there through, but yeah, so it kind of just looking at that made me realize that, whoa, I hadn't actually talked about dividend income for a minute. And even though it's not the main focus of my investments, I have a couple of funds that pay dividend income. Then I have the single stocks that pay dividend income as well. So what is dividend income? Dividend income is the payout that you get from a company where you have invested in their stock. So now you can get dividend income from individual companies, or you can get dividend income from funds. So I know for sure that I get dividend income from the S&P 500 fund that I have with Vanguard, but I also get dividend income from single stocks like legal and general that I have on free trade. So dividend income is essentially money that you make from owning a stock. So when that company makes a profit, I think that's how they do it. When they make a profit, they pay you a portion of their profits based on the share amount that you have in your holdings. So yeah, that is dividend income. Now let us focus on how much I have been able to bring in with respect to dividend income from 2021, 2022, and now 2023. We're halfway through 2023. So yeah, let's see how much I have been able to make so far. So I'm going to first off start with 2021, and I'm looking down because I do have my trusted laptop here, so I can have a look, and I think I'll do a screenshot of what I am currently looking at on my screen, because 2022 is there. Okay, 2021. So for 2021, you will notice that a lot of the investments that I had in 2021 are still the same investments that I held in 2022 and 2023, but some, like dividends on eToro, that one I stopped investing and I sold out of eToro and closed that down, so you won't see it on the 2023 one. So minor changes there, but almost all of it is still the same. So in 2021, I started tracking my dividends in July, and at the close of the year 2021, I actually earned £33 in total in dividend income. This was actually quite surprising for me, but actually, do you know what? Let me see if I can check, because I see that there's one stock there that I don't know if I had dividend income at the time, and it's one where I invest with the company that I work for. I started noticing the income, dividend income from that stock last year. So I don't know if there was anything for 2021, but I can have a look at the history and filter for dividend pay. I think, oh yeah, I don't think there's anything because mine just shows up to 2021. So maybe 2022, sorry. So maybe that's why I don't have it there. But for 2021, apparently I made £33 in total in dividend income starting from July of 2021. Then I'm going to go over to the tracker for 2022, and like I said, I'm just gonna gloss over this one because I already shared a video all about it, but I brought in about £280 across the year in dividend income, and I think my highest month was October. July and October were close, yeah, almost similar amounts that I made, and this is because of the funds that I hold with Vanguard. So the S&P 500, the VUSA in the UK, then the dividend yield income, which is VHYL, and then VFEM for I think that's for emerging markets. Yeah. So because of those, I was able to actually bring in a lot more dividend income. And just so you know, for me, dividend income, I reinvest back in the same stocks or the same funds that I invest in, so that I actually don't take any of the money out. I always reinvest it back. So, but it's just good to see how much I have been earning and all of that good jazz. But yeah, 2022 was actually quite high. But saying that, I'm gonna move over now to my 2023 tracker, where I'm tracking all the way up to June. I think 2023 is even going to be higher, purely because we're halfway through the year of 2023, and I've already made almost half of what I made last year. And then I also know that July I'm going to see the payout from the Vanguard funds, and a couple of other months, I think October as well, get some dividend in there, and then in January I'll be able to see what I made in December. So looking at this year's spreadsheet, I have already brought in over £142 in dividend income, and so far my highest month was March, which was really surprising. And this came from a single stock. I get paid I get paid in Swiss francs, and that was 93 and 60 Swiss francs. But obviously when I converted that to pounds back way back when in March, it actually was about £82 or thereabouts, and then I did get a small payout from UK dividend. But January I had a whooping 82 pence. February I made £2.32. This definitely will cover the coffees that I get from Costa. £82 I estimate can cover about 3 or 4 bills of mine. Then in April I brought in £46.19. This can definitely cover 2 bills, or 3 if I focus on just subscriptions. In May, £2.61 is definitely my coffee. And then June, so far, I've brought in £7.66, and that's 2 weeks of coffee for me from my favorite coffee shop. But I am actually quite impressed, you guys, that I was able to make this amount of money with, through dividend income. Dividend income, don't sleep on it for sure. I'm not saying that you should invest in stocks or funds that pay out dividend income, but if that's your investment strategy, then definitely look into them. But don't only invest for that, you know, growth stocks, what have you. Do your own research and do the needful. But very happy to see exactly how much I have made so far with respect to dividend income. I'm excited to see the rest of the year how much I'm able to bring in, and I feel like it's so good to know how much you're making from these stocks and these funds. For me right now, it's all just, I want to say, play money, because I've got no intention of using that money to live on. I'm kind of just reinvesting it until I reach big bucks, then I can live off it. But it's good to just have an idea of, you know, what the current stocks and holdings, or what the current holdings you have are bringing you in terms of dividend income. So that's all I wanted to share with respect to this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.